Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Gotten a lot of correspondence from folks lately asking me whether or not the U.S. marriage visas, K-3, CR-1s, and IR-1s, are having the requirement for the interview being waived. And when I first got this question from somebody, it kind of threw me for a loop because, it didn't sound right at all to me. It turns out it's not, but I'll explain why in a minute. The confusion seems to have arisen from a recent announcement from the U.S. State Department, that's travel.state.gov. The announcement is titled, Important Announcement on Waivers of the Interview Requirement for Certain Non-Immigrant Visas. The Secretary of State, in consultation with Department of Homeland Security, has authorized consular officers through the end of 2022 to waive the in-person interview requirement for certain temporary employment non-immigrant visa applicants who have a petition approved by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. This authorization applies to temporary workers applying for H-1, H-3, H-4, L, O, P, and Q visas. Now, who isn't mentioned there? CR-1, IR-1, K-3 visas. Just to go a little further, to provide some further insight, quoting further, in addition, the Secretary extended previously approved policies to waive the visa interview for certain students, professors, research scholars, short-term scholars, or specialists, FM and academic J visa applicants through the end of 2022. So, yeah, there are some visa categories that are going to see interview requirements being waived depending on the facts of a given case. The thing to take away from this video and understand is it doesn't apply to the K-3, the CR-1, or the IR-1. And to the best of my knowledge, as of the time of this video, that does not appear to be the case in any way. And quite frankly, that doesn't surprise me. In fact, I think in these family-based cases, we've done another video on K-1s, but the K-3, the CR-1, and the IR-1, where we're talking about a marriage visa, in the case of the CR-1 and the IR-1, where it's a green card being conferred at entry to the United States or lawful permanent residence, or what's called an I-551 stamp, yeah, they generally are going to want to see an interview of somebody who's going to be granted residence in the United States upon entry. So, unfortunately, I think this has led to kind of a misnomer out there on the internet. I hope this clarifies things. We'll certainly keep people updated on the situation as it evolves.